Unlock 10 years of youth. The viral Chia and Saffron mask you can't miss. Are you about to scroll past the greatest skincare secret of 2025? Stop. Because with just two insanely simple recipes, featuring magical chia seeds, golden saffron, brightening lemon, and skin-perfecting cornstarch, you can unlock the glow of your dreams. Imagine hydration, soft skin, no dullness, and a complexion so clear, even your mirror does a double take. These aren't just DIYs, they're celebrity-level formulas. Xenotation Spot Chia seeds bring next-level plumping hydration, erase fine lines, and literally shield you from sun damage with their omega-3 superpowers. Xenotation Spot Cornstarch absorbs oil and soothes irritation, making your skin silky and fresh, even in summer heat. Xenotation Spot Saffron is the king of brightening and banishes dark spots, fighting aging from the first use. Xenotation Spot Lemon is your best friend for fading scars, shrinking pores, and giving you glass skin with every drop. Why settle for basic when you can have flawless, radiant, jaw-dropping skin in minutes? Hit play and follow these 2 easy steps. You'll never need another mask. Ready to glow up your life? Drop a sparkles in the comments if you want more viral routines. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next secret drop. For this recipe, we need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, along with a glass of hot water. We give it 15 minutes to open the chia seeds a little. If at this time, the glaze of the chia seeds does not come out, we put it on low heat for 15 minutes to let the glaze of the chia seeds come out. We need the chia glaze. In the meantime, grind a few saffron threads to powder. And in the next step, we mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with a glass of water, and after stirring and mixing the mixture, we put it on low heat until it reaches the desired consistency. It is ready. Chia seeds are a real health bomb. Starstruck, these tiny, magical seeds are packed with fiber, protein, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, and they do what Superman does to the body. Keep your skin young and blemish-free. Keep your heart working like clockwork. Make your bones stronger than steel, and even work wonders for weight and blood sugar control. Some say that if you plant chia seeds in your garden, their amazing energy will reach Jupiter. If you're looking for a dramatic change in your health and well-being, now is the time to add a handful of chia seeds to your diet. Try it and see how much better you feel. If you'd like to share your experience using chia seeds in your diet, comment below so that more people can benefit and you can do something useful too. Chia seeds are a real elixir for your skin routine. It deeply hydrates, reduces inflammation and redness, increases skin clarity and softness, and acts as a protective shield to protect your skin from damage and aging. Smiling face with heart eyes, it's rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and vitamins C and E, so it keeps your skin healthy and youthful from the inside out, while also providing gentle exfoliation that helps even out skin tone and texture. If you're looking to reduce acne, blemishes, dryness, and achieve a true glow, you should add chia to your routine. Would you like me to introduce you to some simple and practical masks or uses with chia? Leaf fluttering wind. In the meantime, I also prepared the cornstarch and heated it until it thickened and became creamy. We need to pass the chia seeds through a strainer. We need chia seed glaze for both recipes. If I were to describe cornstarch in one word, it is homemade Botox. If you include it in your regular skin routine, your skin will never get wrinkles and will maintain its clarity and uniformity even up to the age of 65. This is the miracle of nature, don't forget. At this stage, we divide the chia seed glaze into 2 separate parts. Mix half of the chia seed glaze with the same amount of starch cream and a tablespoon of honey and the tip of a teaspoon of saffron, and pour this miraculous mixture into a thick spray bottle. This mask is a healing mask for your skin and a very, very strong bleach. You can use it up to twice a day, and it will last in the refrigerator for 10 days. The second recipe that we are going to freeze, we combine the remaining cream of starch and chia seed glaze with the juice of 1 lemon and then pour into small molds, any mold you have at home, and leave in the freezer for 8 hours. Frozen, and your amazing ice mold is ready. This recipe is very easy and simple, but it costs me a lot to know it. I am looking for the best and most practical recipes for you, my lovely audience all over the world. This miraculous frozen concoction of chia seed glaze, cornstarch, and lemon is a total bomb for your skin. Ice Cube Sparkles Xenotation Spot perfect for deep hydration and soothing the skin. Chia gel acts like a water-absorbing cloud on the skin. Cornstarch detoxifies and softens, and lemon's natural acid acts as a powerful exfoliant and brightens the skin. Xenotation Spot reduces inflammation and acne scars. This magical combination of ingredients quickly reduces redness and inflammation of the skin and helps repair scar tissue. Xenotation Spot tightens and reduces wrinkles. When this mixture is frozen and applied as ice, the cold of the ice closes the pores and helps tighten the skin. Just like natural Botox, Xenotation Spot guaranteed radiance and clarity. Lemon brightens pigmentation and makes the skin shine like a diamond. How to use: place in the freezer until completely frozen, every day or a few times a week.